Alright guys, welcome back to the General One Podcast. Before we go any further, I want to click the subscribe button for me because when we come back, I want to talk about coffee. Because right now coffee make me feel bad in myself, you know. I'm in the gym every day. So here we click subscribe for me and come back to the channel and we're going to start talk about three very important topics. I'm going to my point of view on it. You can leave some comments down below and make me know what you feel and what you think just the same. See? So go and click subscribe and come back. Alright, welcome back. So here we are going on. Today we're going to talk about Iwaata and Silk Boss. If you guys are not really aware, or if you guys haven't seen it all over social media, Iwaata and Silk Boss had the opportunity to perform in England. And the promoter came out and said Iwaata and Silk Boss did a very bad job at performing and getting the crowd. No, me personally I honestly don't think, and this is my honest opinion, should blame the entertainer for poor outcome. Iwaata and Silk Boss live at Jamaica and the promoter live at England. You are responsible for promoting your show properly and making sure whoever you're inviting to the show can bring the crowd. No, Iwaata and Silk Boss is relatively new in the spotlight in terms of well-known or popular artists. Alright? A lot of people don't know these people. So you have to understand, say you can't blame Iwaata and Silk Boss for you not having the outcome that you were expecting, because the promoter is responsible. The promoter or promoters are responsible for making sure you put the show out there so that people can see. You have to sell the show basically. And as you guys know, there's also another incident that was said that Silk Boss actually went into his face, which is the promoter face, and was acting tough and was pushing badness. We are still not sure about that. That's what the promoter said. And the promoter then said he had to let Silk Boss know, that he is quote unquote bad man. So anyway, my thing is this: if Silk Boss and Iwaata do a show, Cargo come out and say something very useful to new artists, saying that make sure that you get at least 60% of your money before you even touch a plane, and make sure say whatever agreement you do, it is written up in a contract. You see me? So you write the contract. Don't make the promoter write the contract. 60% of your money should be in your hand prior to you going to the show, and after the show you get your rest. You understand? And it's a very smart thing to do, because now the promoter is saying that he's going to seize Iwaata and Silk Boss visa. I'm not sure if he can do, because he's not immigration. But anyway, I hope them work it out, and I hope it no cause no bloodshed and no bad meds and things. You see me? But that's what them look on it. If Iwaata and Silk Boss want to say, yo, you know what? The show never go on good, because literally the show only have probably about 20 to 35 people in the venue. But at the same time, you can't blame Iwaata and Silk Boss. You tell them to come perform and them come perform. See me? So yeah. But anyway, promoter and Silk Boss and Iwaata know exactly what happened. We can only give a point of view, and we can only think outside the box what we think, really take place. And you know them say? There's two sides to a story. Or three sides. Your side, my side, and the truth. So anyway, I'll go back to that and I hope them sort it out. Don't make no bloodshed over that, because we can do better than that. Okay? Anyway, no. If you want to see this match between Jamaica and Mexico, Jesus Christ. But I don't know when we are going to a match, I don't know when we are going to go to World Cup again, brother. Because right now, Jamaica, I move like them that even want to touch the World Cup president. Brother, let me tell you something. A lot of players get opportunity through World Cup. You see me? A lot of players. Now, I don't know what's going on with the Jamaica team, but I figure more than less say the Jamaica team not gel properly. Them now come together for gel properly, and that's one of the biggest problem. You see me? Every time you see somebody new play, because I watched the match yesterday, I win. Day before yesterday, I remember I win. I watch the match today and some different faces me I see, brother. You see me? Like make the man them where train for all long, gel together. You see me? Gel together and get to know each other, get to know how each other play, so a chemistry can build, so we can, have a better opportunity to qualify at this World Cup, brother. You see me? Cheese and peace, man. Anyway, Jamaica fix up that. Make sure so they come back stronger. Because right now we need to sound up on the platform. I do want to know what we know so we can do. Because we have some talented players. You see me? So I want to start, put 1 and 2 together. Bumbleclot, 2 plus 2 are 4. That hard. I want to win some game and I got to work up on them things, brother. I want to see the best phone, brother. See me? I want to see the best phone. You messed man. Excuse me. Sorry. Anyway, now we're talking about coffee, Because right now we look like coffee there in the gym. Our coffee does wake up every morning and I do sit-ups and them things there, And I go to push-up. Because if you see coffee recently, now people are bash coffee and I say, Kashi, bumbo cleat. People are bash coffee and I say, coffee want be a man so bad. Yo, nothing is wrong if a female is trying to look, sexy or trying to look better than other females. You understand? Nothing is wrong with a female having six pack. Everybody else say coffee gay, coffee this, coffee that, coffee this. Right now, to be honest, coffee have put Jamaica music to the forefront. Enough more time than enough people. Some don't want to bash coffee, You see me? Allow the little girl and make you do her thing. You see me? So anyway, coffee, go and big up yourself. You see me? Go and big up yourself. And if you don't know, coffee is the track for The Harder They Fall on Netflix with what's his name? Idris Elba or something like that. And a lot of different great actors as well and actress. So want to big up coffee and make coffee know say go and keep our health intact. Them things that's very important, very vital. So in other news, more make a man them know say yo ladies I say she come back in a dance. I don't really know much about it. I'm not going to speak on it yet. But if you know anything about it and can inform me more, to leave it in the comment section. Let me know one thing. She said she come back in a dance, but she come back come do it the clean way. Now, I know for a fact, back in the days when ladies saw the music, ladies saw was a bit raw on that sense, So musicians have to understand, especially old musicians have to understand, say, it's a different time in generation where, different thing I got sell. Back in them days there, what only used to do, sell, but right now, what Shenseea them and Spice them and, Jada Kingdom them and everybody I do. Them thing they sell now. You see me? Woman I sing both so cocky and all them something there and push it down in my throat and them something the way them I sing. You see me? And them thing the female them I sing nowadays. And that some of them generation they want to hear, you see me? And when you go in the bedroom, you just clicking at your brain and say, well, I did say this, let me try it. I don't know about yeah. But anyway, I want to come back for the next video because I got to talk about ladies and I'm going to my honest opinion. I figure more or less say, she should have stayed which part she there and just make them do what them do. Although she was the queen of dancehall, Spice have that title now. So make we see. Next video, I'm gonna come back in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, share the video, like the video, and leave some comment down below. Let me know what you feel. You see me? What you feel. And like me say, Iwaata and Silk Boss and the promoter want to deal with things on a respectful level. You see me? Enough reach to violence and crime and shooting and stabbing. You see me? And bomb throwing. But anyway, soon in the next video, Zane.